Hello guys, D-Rays here. In the last video we've talked about evaluating the limits of rational functions around infinity, and we've said that it's simply calculating the limits of a term with highest power at the top and then at the bottom, and then we get the limit. Here we're gonna see the limit of these functions, but not around infinity, but around some real values. Let's start with this one. The limit when x approaches 2 of x cubed plus x minus 10 over x to the fourth minus 2x cubed. If we plug in 2, first thing we've got to do is plug in 2. We've got here 8 plus 2, which is 10, minus 10 is 0. And at the denominator we have x to the fourth, which is 2 to the fourth is 16, minus 2 times 8, which is 16, and it's 0. 0 over 0 is undefined form. So we've got to factorize here by x minus 2. Since 2 is a 0 of this polynomial, it means that it is divisible by x minus 2. And I'm going to focus on the long division. And surely you can factorize using other means, but I'm gonna profit here to show you how to do the long division of polynomials. So I'm gonna divide x cubed plus x minus 10 by x minus 2. So to divide x cubed by x, which is x squared, and then multiply x squared by x is x cubed. I can write x cubed and then do a subtraction, but rather I'm gonna write the opposite and doing an addition after. So x cubed, x squared 2 times x is x cubed. I'm gonna write minus x cubed. X squared times minus 2 is minus 2x squared. I'm gonna write the opposite. 2x cubed. And then instead of doing an addition, instead of doing a subtraction, I'm gonna do an addition. So x cubed plus minus x cubed is 0. I'm left with 2x cubed, 2x squared, sorry, plus x minus 10. We've got to write the terms in the linear order, starting with the term with the highest power. 2x squared divided by x is 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. I'm going to write the opposite of it. 2x times minus 2 is minus 4x. I'm going to write plus 4x. And I'm left with, after the addition, here is 0, here is 5x, and then the minus 10. 5x divided by x is 5 plus 5. 5 times x is 5x. The opposite is minus 5x. 5 minus 2 is minus 10. The opposite is plus 10. And the sum here is 0. So it's clear that the polynomial at the top is, I'm gonna write the limit, x approaches 2. So this is equal to x minus 2 multiplied by this polynomial. So it's x minus 2 x squared plus 2x plus 5. And we've got no remainder left here. I can do the same thing with the bottom, but we clearly see that here we can factor by x to the third. I'm gonna factor it out, and it's x minus 2. So the x minus 2 will cancel here, and we're left with the limit when x approaches 2 of x squared plus 2x plus 5 over x to the third. And now we've got no problem plugging in 2. It's 2 to the third, 2 squared, which is 4 plus 5 over 2 to the third, which is 8. And it's 8 plus 5, which is 13 over 8. The second limit, I'm going to go also with the long division of polynomials. If I plug in 1, I've got 1 plus 1 minus 2 is 0 over 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 8 is 0. So it's clearly that I can divide by x minus 1. I can do this mentally, but this video is also about long division of polynomials. So I'm gonna do it again. So x squared plus x minus 2 by x minus 1. X squared by x is x times x squared, I'm going to write the opposite. X minus x, I'm going to write plus x. Here is 0 plus 2x minus 2. 2x by x is plus 2. 2 times x, I'm going to write the opposite. And 2 times minus 1 minus 2, I'm going to write plus 2. That is 0, so it's the limit x approaches 2 of x minus 1 times x plus 2. I'm gonna divide x plus 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 x minus 1. X cubed by x is x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. The opposite is minus x cubed. Minus x squared, alright, plus x squared. So it's 0 plus 5x squared minus 8x plus 3. The 5x squared by x is plus 5x. 5x squared, I'm going to write minus 5x squared minus 5x plus 5x, is 0, his is minus 8x plus 5x is minus 3x plus 3. Minus 3x by x is minus 3. Minus 3x, the opposite is plus 3x plus 3. The opposite is minus 3, and the remainder is 0. So at the bottom I get x minus 1 factor to x squared plus 5x minus 3, and this will cancel. I'm left limit x approaches 2 approaches 1 here also of x plus 2 x squared plus 5x minus 3. Now if I plug in 1, it's gonna give me a real number. It's 1 plus 2, and here it's 1 plus 5 minus 3, which is 3 over 3, which is 1.